Personalized Christmas ornaments are gonna be one of the highest demand print-on-demand products in the next month. My goal in this video is to show you where to find designs for your Christmas ornaments, how to upload them to Etsy and enable personalization, how to create product mockups that will help increase your sales, and how to automate the personalization process using Hello Custom. So let's get to it. To start, we're gonna use Printify to fulfill our product orders. When we use them, we get automated fulfillment of orders, except if we offer personalization. That's where Hello Custom is going to come in to make our lives a little bit easier. But when it comes to Christmas ornaments, they have a wide selection. You can actually go to their product catalog, type in the word ornament, and you can scroll through the various options. My personal favorite is just to use the very first one listed here. It'll cost $5.76 for fulfillment after you make a sale. So I'm thinking we charge our customers anywhere in the range of $12 to $15 per ornament. It also never hurts to do market research and look at what you're competing with. By the way, if you have Printify Premium, the fulfillment cost drops to $4.44 per order. If you have not used Printify Premium before, you can sign up with code Ryan to get 1 month free. When it comes to design, Creative Fabrica has us covered for pretty much anything. So you can come to the search bar, type in Christmas ornament, and then after it renders the search results, scroll down and look at the left-hand sidebar. Under special license, click print on demand. Now you can scroll and scroll and scroll and see all of the different options here. You don't have to use them as is. You can customize them as you see fit. I personally chose to work with this specific design right here for this video. So now we'll go back to Printify. We have our ceramic round ornament selected. They actually have this ornament in other shapes. I'm gonna keep it simple and just optimize for the circle. I'm gonna click start designing. And now all I need to do is upload my design. As you can see here, it is uploaded. I'm going to reposition it so that it looks good on the ornament and so that it's not hanging out over that hole. And once I think it looks good enough, we are good to go. You'll notice that I left the custom personalized element in this design because this is what's gonna get pushed to Etsy for the primary product mockup. Honestly, we're gonna go generate some other mockups anyways and replace the default one, but I just wanted to explain what we've done though so far. So we can go ahead and click save product. The button is actually directly behind me. Sorry that I'm blocking it. And here on this last step, guys, you can do your SEO, your search engine optimization. I would recommend creating a title that describes what we are offering. So I would say something like personalized Christmas ornament 2023 and go into Etsy, look at the autocomplete. Etsy actually handholds us when it comes to finding search terms that are relevant to what we're selling, assuming that what we're selling is already in the catalog or similar products are. As you can see here, if you actually click a listing from search results and then click into the search bar, Etsy will give you some clues as to what search terms are driving traffic to this listing. So make sure to leverage this. So I got my product title set here. I can go down and reprice it. Maybe I'll start this one off at a price point of maybe $12.99, and I can increase the price as I generate more sales and it improves its organic ranking on Etsy. And then go down and click the publish button, which again, I am hiding behind me. Up next, I'm gonna head on over to Placeit and create some mock-ups of our Christmas ornament. So I will search in the search bar, Christmas ornament, and see what it yields. As you can see here, there are quite a few Christmas ornaments. They've got some flat mock-ups, which can be good if you do not want the complex background. And if you just scroll, they also have some with backgrounds as well. I think one in front of the Christmas tree makes a lot of sense since the ornaments we're selling are, optimized to be hanging from a Christmas tree. So from here, you can go ahead and upload your design and then download your mockup. By the way, if you're offering customization, I like to call attention to that fact in my primary thumbnail. As you see here, I put your family name and I put an arrow pointing to where they can add it. There's only a few steps left, so follow along. We're gonna jump on over to Hello Custom, which is gonna enable us to basically automate the personalization process. So if we get flooded with orders, it will not be a headache because the AI of the software will pull the personalized element out and put it in the design right where we need it. So go ahead and log in. If you aren't using it already, use my link in the description to sign up. Go ahead to your templates page and click add new. Now you can either upload a PNG or a PDF. There's a little bit of flexibility there. However you exported your design, typically for me it's PNG, but if you actually export it as a PDF, it'll identify the text layers and make them editable. So whatever works for you, go ahead and proceed with that. So I went ahead and uploaded my design. First, I want to show you the edits I made to the design that I pulled from Creative Fabrica. As you can see here, I went ahead and and removed some of the parts of the design and adjusted it. So I'm not actually going to offer the ability to add the names below the stockings, but I will allow you to add the family name, the stockings where it says the family Christmas. You can add your family name there. So once I have my design saved as I like it, I go ahead and load it up here into Hello Custom. Then I'm going to click text to add a text layer. I'll click add header. I will reposition it up here in between the and family Christmas, and I will widen it just a little bit. Don't widen it all the way, because remember guys, this is going to be on a round Christmas ornament in our case. So you're going to want to make sure that it can't, like, the text won't get clipped off the sides. So as you can see there, I didn't do the full width. So I'm going to go ahead and use the font Grand Hotel. I like this as a nice little like cursive fun font, and I will change the text to say Hogue. I'm going to go ahead and change the font color to maybe a green that kind of matches the vibe of what I've got going on here. As you saw, I changed the, the bottom 2023 to be red and green like Christmas. And if you want to make the font size a little bit bigger here, there's a little slider you can drag, kind of just make sure that it's not, overlapping anything. I feel like that fits pretty well. All right, so the Hogue family Christmas, and go ahead now that we've added this dynamic text layer to the design where it says tags, this is the most important part. Click that and select whatever this customization is related to. In this case, it is name, it is family name. So I'm going to go ahead and set it to name. And now all that's left is we need to name this. So I'm going to say Christmas Ornament 2023 custom family name. I'm going to go ahead and click product variants, and I will select the product listing we just created from Etsy right here so that it knows when this sells to fulfill, to intervene and perform the custom personalization. The last step is to go to Etsy, edit the product listing that we created from Printify, scroll down to where it says personalization and click on. Now add some instructions for the buyer. As you can see here, I'm keeping it simple. Please provide your family name. It's usually a good idea to provide an example as well. So what you see me doing here is providing an example of a family name that they may type. You can limit the characters as well. And you see on the right-hand side here, it's actually providing an active preview. And then when it's ready, hit publish. And that's it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Christmas ornaments are truly going to be flying off of the digital shelves for the next month. So make sure you carve out your piece of the pie. Of course, everything I showed you in this video is going to be linked in the description. So if you're not already using something like Hello Custom, go ahead and click that link and create your account. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button to let the YouTube algorithm know, and please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video.